How to get rid of astrological sign on Snapchat. Getting rid of astrological sign on Snapchat but don't know how to do it, or for that you simply need to follow all the steps in this video. Now without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your Snapchat app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account. On this home screen or the camera section of Snapchat, tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. When you reach on this profile section of your Snapchat, you will easily see your astrological sign. For me, it's Capricorn. Tap on it, and this is your astrological profile. You can easily make it. So, when you get back, or if you want to get rid of this astrological sign on Snapchat, tap on the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. So when you tap on the gear icon at top right corner of the screen, at the settings page, you will easily get your birthday option. Tap on it. And once your birthday option opens, you will see my astrological birthday. Simply tap on the cross icon or the X icon next to it. And after that, you need to tap on clear to delete your additional birth information that includes exact time and location to clear or get rid of your astrological sign on Snapchat. After you have done with that, you need to come back to the same page where you have to tap on the same astrological sign. And when you see that we have successfully deleted or get rid of astrological sign on Snapchat, that's it. That's how we do it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.